Hi. There are no questions. This is going to go, my arm is going to go mad by the end of it. Mansing Naruka, thank you so much for the compliment. Thank you so much. Hi Suyash, I'm unable to answer that right now because I have not confirmed my next movie, but I will let you know very, very, very soon. Thank you, Rodro. Thank you, Sazi. Hi, Ronit. My favorite artist really depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm in the mood for some ghazal. Sometimes I'm in the mood for some Rihanna. So it really changes as per my mood. So I don't have one particular answer. Thank you. Hi, Mohammed. I would love to because I haven't been there. So I would love to come there sometime soon. Thank you so much, Vinod. Thank you. Hi, yes, I was in Jakarta recently and it was quite a fun trip. We had gone there for a show. So thank you so much. Yes, when I'm not shooting, I do not wear makeup. But thank you. Hi Ishan, I am in Bombay right now, Mumbai, and I am streaming from the Yash Raj office. No, I'm not allowed to do that. Yash Raj office, I can't. Hi Charmin, thank you so much. Thank you. Hi Suresh, no I don't yet. I think you should find somebody for me. Thank you Mahesh. Hi Deepak, I would love to do one soon. I haven't found anything that I absolutely love yet. But I would love to do some South Indian films because I love watching them. Hi Arvind, what did I eat today? Oh God. I ate oats for breakfast and I haven't had my lunch yet. I will eat soon. Hi Ajat Shatru, thank you so much for the compliment and thank you for sending me so many hearts. Hi Ricky, who is sitting with me? I have my team here if you want to see them. There they are. Say hi everybody. Hello Mitali, don't hide. So they are all here, they are looking at me. Thank you. Thank you, Rocky. And as your name suggests, Smart Rocky, I'm sure you are also. Hi, Saloni. Thank you so much. It's just that I've been working hard and I guess that's showing, which I'm very happy about. And I just hope I can look better and better. Hi, Vamshidar. I was just there 15 days ago, so I think I'm going to take a small break, but I would love to come again because I love the food and I love the energy of New York, so I would love to come again. Prerit Gupta, you are my crush. Oh, I've just proposed to this person. Thank you, Satyendra. I love you too. Biraz, thank you so much. Singh Saab, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Manpreet, I love you too. Swatantra Sarode. Which Indian artist do you like? Many people actually, but I should not take names. Hi Ronak, not yet, but if there's something, then I will definitely announce it soon. Thank you so much. Hi Parine, I haven't been there for a couple of months now. I used to come there a lot to Delhi, but whenever something at work comes up, then I will definitely come soon. Hi Avinash. Hi Charanpreet. Suresh, I have many favorite actors because everybody's doing such great work nowadays. So I love Shah Rukh, I love Salman, I love Ranbir. There are just too many. Hi Nupur, thank you so much and wish you the same. Hi Sunil, I actually travel quite a lot. I have traveled all my life, so there are many places. So it's very hard to choose one. Thank you so much. Who's your favorite director in India? Who's my favorite director in India? There are just too many. I love Aditya Chopra. I love Karan. I love Imtiaz. I love Raju sir. I love Anand sir. I love a lot of people actually. I'm going to have an arms workout today.
Should somebody hold it for you?
No, it's fine. I keep moving, no? Hi, Siddharth. Thank you so much. Hi, Harry. I would love to come sometime soon, but I don't have a reason to right now. I think I'll have to make a holiday plan or something. But I will soon. Thank you, Prajakta. Yes, it's been a journey full of highs and lows, but I'm enjoying every bit of it. Hi, Rakesh. Thank you so much. I hope so. Light is terrible, apparently. Let's start here. On the video, it's fine. No? Okay, fine. Thank you, Kabir. Thank you, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. I would love to come to Melbourne because I really want to come to Australia. I haven't been there. So I think my next holiday is going to be there. Thank you, Praveen. Maruf, my football club has to be Manchester United because I used to work for them. So my my allegiance and my love will always be for them. So yeah, Man U. Hi Sophia, I just answered that actually there are many actors who I absolutely love. But it's very hard to choose one. But other than that, whoever is right for the script, I think I will sign a film with them. Mijanul, my favorite city is London. I go there a lot because I've lived there for 3 years. And I really enjoy that city. I feel like I've come home, so I really like it. And I think I'm going there again next week. I don't know. Anyway. No, actually, that's a rumor. I am not part of the EMAX jury. I think there was some misunderstanding there. So I am not. I'm sorry if that's not good news for you. Atit Kumar, I'm going to get married when I feel it's the right time and I found the right person, not right now. Hi Vishal. Thank you, Kusal. Thank you, Kalpana. Hi, Kalpana. Priya, it would have to be anywhere in America because I think you get good prices and you get much more variety. I loved Ram Leela a lot, and that's the kind of film that I would love to do. But after that, nothing. Hi Sham, the best moment of my life would be I think when I got my first film, because that was the start of my career, and it was a very special moment for me and a very emotional moment for me. So I think, yeah, that's what it would be. Hi Aditya, hi Sameer, hi Rahul. There is one Sameer here also. This arms workout is going on. Oh, like that. It's crazy. Hi Tushar. My favorite movie keeps changing again as per my mood. But the last movie that I really loved was Bajrangi Bhaijaan because I think it was superb. Please hold it. I'm tired. It's crazy holding it like this. Okay, now I have given the phone to somebody else because my arms are tired. Oh gosh, when will you be coming to Toronto? Hi Preeti, I was in Toronto sometime back and I really loved the city. So I will come there soon. Yes, if something good comes, I will definitely do it. Sing a song. You should sing a song for me. Hi Rohit, if you're from Ambala, that's amazing. No, now it's okay. Now it's okay. You're going mad. It is a little weird logic. No, now I'm fine. Now I'm fine. That was Sameer who just passed behind me. He is the one who has arranged this chat for us. Hi Huda, I practically live in Dubai because I go there a lot. My best friend also lives there. So it's... vacation spots are too many actually. I don't even know how many to count. Hi Atul Sharma, yes I am replying to you. Hi Malik. Thanks to Sameer they are saying. Sameer is very happy and he's smiling. Yes, I would love to. You can just say it to me, man. To whom? Hi Janmeet, I would love to marry you, but right now we are in different cities, so I can't. When? In the chat? Yeah, in the chat. Hi Shashank, my favorite color is white. Okay. Hi Sanjay. Pradeep, I actually don't like pickup lines. I think they are very fake and they are very unnatural. So I prefer people to come up to me honestly and talk to me. Tell me when to end. Hi Priyank, I just answered that question actually. I love the color white. Thank you so much, Harshdeep. That's a lovely compliment. Thank you. Hi, Sarbleen. Hi, Aruna. Hi Sai, I wish I could, but I will actually. I will take that. I will post some pictures of my house. Hi Pramila. Nobody actually. I get inspired by different people for different things. Whoever does a good job in their field, I think I love that. Hi Shoaib. Hi Sagar. Hi Sujesh, thank you so much. That feels great. Shrikant, I would love to. If you get a great script for me, I would love to. Hi Borival, thank you. I would love to come there soon. Like I said, I love to travel, so I would love to do that. Anyway, let's do the last 1 minute because I have to go. But it was amazing talking to you guys. Thank you, Arpit. Hi, Govind. Thank you so much. Yes, it feels amazing. Hi, Anmol. Thank you so much. Hi, Suleiman. Hi, Aparna. I love Indian and Italian food, actually. Take it later. Take it 3 seconds later when it comes. Yeah, I will take. Hi, Afraz. Hi Dalbir and hi Prakash. Anyway, thank you so much for chatting with me. I had an amazing time talking to you guys, and let's do this again soon. It's time for my lunch, so I'm going to eat. But bye guys, thank you so much.